Okay, so here we are. This video is for those taking my workshops, and there's always questions about which brushes to use, and you know that over the last couple of years I've always told you that I work with these type of brushes over here, and they come in three different sizes, 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch. What's really formidable about this is the bounce that these brushes have, and the long head seems to be able to withhold quite a bit of paint. This is a great thing for these brushes. The most amazing thing is also that they are very inexpensive. I found that they come with three different names. One of them is Artist Loft, King Art, and Lang Nickel. And usually they come under one name, packaged in this way, and they will be found either as Michael's, Hobby Lobby. However, for those of you who are in Naples, Florida, I suggest you go to Koenig Art Emporium, located on Central and 10th, and he has these individually out of the packets for $3, $2, and $1. What's amazing about this is that when you are done with these brushes, you just discard them and just go out, and you are done. Sorry, Enzo. Okay, next thing. Love these brushes. This is from Blick. It's called Blick, B-L-I-C-K Mega Brush. All right, and this is number 30. Then you have a number 40, and you have a number 50. They vary in size, obviously, going from thinner line, medium to full bodied line. This will give you the opportunity to apply lots and lots and lots of paint. It sort of has a mop effect, and it really can hold a lot of paint. A lot of fun to use. They just kind of glide across your brush, scribble, bounce, the whole thing with it. Get rough and dirty with these, and again, you can also throw these out, but I won't here because it hits my dog on the head. Actually, he's there, so here you go. Out, done, and done with that brush. So another brush that I did find is the Richards brush. Found this on Amazon. I think painters use this to paint their home, but what I really like is the fine point that it gives you, and it's an acrylic base. So again, it gives you acrylic head, nylon head. It gives you a lot of bounce, and it will come to a fine point as much as a very large point. Beware with these is if you don't clean them properly, the heads tend to split very rapidly, and for some reason this nylon bristle seems to dry out very quickly. So if you see any of these with the little copper head over here, I tend to stay away from these. They're very expensive. The hairs fall out. They're marketed as the quintessential European artist brush. However, I've used it for a number of times, and it just seems to be a major fail on my behalf. What else regarding brushes? I think that's it for now. There is one more that has been added to the materials list on the actual sheet that you've been given when you signed up for the class, and that is a filbert brush. I highly recommend you get at least 2 brushes in 2 different sizes for the filbert. You'll probably be using it in my class, but if you don't, it's a good brush to have in your collection of brushes because the filbert has an oval point, and it can really help you get that sort of stream, push and pull that you kind of want to play with on your brush. Filberts tend to be a little more pricey, but they will last a long time, and you will love, love, love how you can apply the paint, how it applies paint. Blah. All right, that's it. Next up will be what canvases or what paper to use for the workshop. See you soon.